BioFeedBack module. The biofeedback method is an arbitrary volitional control of the functions of the cardiovascular system of the body in order to correct and normalize work. This is achieved by recording pulse waves and converting information about the state of the human heart and systems into visual and auditory signals accessible to consciousness. Activation of the biofeedback module is carried out by pressing the corresponding menu item in the recorder window. The module operation algorithm is organized in such a way that the patient can observe the occurrence of a pulse wave, hear a signal, the tone of which depends on the heart rate. In addition, the patient observes the movements of the red ball on the color field. The vertical position of this ball depends on the value of the cardio interval between heartbeats in real time. The green color of the field corresponds to the normal range depending on the age and gender of the patient. The yellow color of the field corresponds to the range exceeding the norm. The blue color of the field corresponds to the range less than the norm. The horizontal speed of the red ball depends on the pulse rate. During the session, the patient sees and hears how his cardiovascular and respiratory systems work. The computer module converts changes in the work of the heart into visible and audible feedback signals. The heart rate increases during inspiration, the red ball on the color field moves up. The tone of the sound rises and the speed of the ball along the horizontal axis increases. The heart rate decreases during exhalation and the red ball on the color field moves down. The tone of the sound decreases and the speed of the ball also decreases. Volitional control of the movement of the ball allows you to form the desired type of breathing with synchronization of the phases of breathing and heart function. Conscious control of diaphragmatic relaxation breathing with the help of biofeedback has a healing effect on the respiratory, cardiovascular and nervous systems of the body. This video shows an example of the heart rate normalization process. At the beginning of the biofeedback procedure, the heart rate was above normal at rest. With the help of breathing and volitional efforts, the heart rate gradually returned to normal. The movement of the red ball has shifted to the green area of the norm for the patient. Thus, the phases of respiration and heart rate were synchronized. The cardiovascular system of the body is brought to a calm state. Regular biofeedback treatments have a healing effect. In the patient's mind, a mechanism is formed to control the internal state under conditions of stress and irritating factors. In addition, the feedback module may be useful in the treatment of attention span disorder. We see that the heart rate is within the normal range. Now the graph does not cross the upper border of the green band, which correspond to the norm. After the end of the set timer, the heart rate recording automatically stops. In addition, the biofeedback session can be stopped by pressing the stop button. The full rhythmogram of the biofeedback process is displayed on the screen after the recording is stopped. The resulting data can be exported to the recorder module. And then a complete analysis of all data can be carried out.